So guys, I'm gonna do my unboxing for this Labubu and I'm so excited. But before that, I'm gonna call my niece from New Zealand because I promised her that we're gonna do it together. So I'm gonna call her first. Yeah, it's her. Okay, say hi first. Say hi. What's your guess? Pink. She wants pink. And me, I don't know. Maybe I want that also, the color pink. Okay, I'm gonna... Wait lang. Okay. I'm gonna open it. 5, 4. Okay. Hello, Tim. Ganito pala yung pakiramdam game. You check. I'm gonna open it now. Okay. What do you want? Pink? But it's color. Wow, I like green. My favorite color is is green, so I'm so happy. Thank you sa nagbigay. Love you. You're happy? Yeah. I get the green. I like also the green because it's my favorite color. Anyway, guys, I'm so happy. Thank you for watching.